Hi guys, I just got a package and I just wanted to show you guys. I don't exactly know what it is. I just opened it like this. It's from Amazon. I think I already know what it is. It's something with science, because I ordered something with science. So I'm just gonna open this. It is Spa Lab. I think I'm gonna do this in Brazil. It's so cool. It comes with all that stuff. You get to make the cream and put it on your face with cucumbers. And I thought it was really cool, so that's why I wanted to grab it. So, I'm just gonna see the things that come with it. I'm gonna do this in Brazil. Are you gonna do it in Brazil? Yep. I'm just gonna see the stuff that comes with it. So, I'm just opening it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It's like, so first it comes with this little thingy. Candy. And then this one looks like a popsicle one. And the two thingies to make it. And it has all the cool science stuff. And then something down here. So cool. So, I'll probably be making a video of me making this in Brazil or here, because I'm having a play date with my friend on Monday. Or I'm pretty sure I'm going to do it in Brazil, or I can order this other kit, or the same one as this one. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye. Comment, like, and subscribe.